Fully detached DMEK grafts are uncommon, but still can happen. And when it happens, you need to take the patient back to the operating theatre, and you can try to re-stain and reattach the graft, but you need to take into account that vision blue will also stain the stroma, and visualization is not the same as the initial DMEK surgery. Initial tapping didn't work in this case, and I tried to open it with the spinning maneuver, and which was not also successful. I tried to inject an air bubble inside of the roll to try to open it, but this also was not successful. Excessive manipulation of the grafts can result in endothelial loss and graft failure. So this is the rescue DMEK maneuver for luxated grafts, consisting in introducing the goiter injector, reforming the anterior chamber, and aspirating the graft into the injector. So the graft is then transferred into a recipient full of BSS and then carefully regated inside, which is usually successful. And now the graft is opened and then re-stained and then re-injected into the anterior chamber. This time the graft behaves normally and can be unfolded with standard tapping maneuvers. The graft was then unfolded, correct orientation confirmed, and then reattached with air tamponade to the back surface of the cornea. These grafts can be fully functional after reattaching, and here's the case 2 weeks later and a month later with a fully functional DMEK graft.